G'day everyone, just letting you know that there's no fishing this weekend because we've been working on the boat. So we're fixing a couple of cracks on the back here and here where we went under the jetty. So I was just sanding all of this, get all the chips and the scratches off, and I'll re-flow coat it. And then on the front where it's all grey, I'm going to sand. This is paint from the previous owner, but it's just cracking and doesn't look very good. So I'm going to strip that back and flow coat all of that white, so it's white all the way around. Yeah, it'll be bright in the water, but still better than all this rubbish that's on here. So yeah, just stripping it down, cleaning it up. I'll get into it soon. 9 o'clock Sunday. That's when you can start. So yeah. So there was a little bit of an accident on my boat and it had a few cracks in it, so I've just sanded it back. Give it a grind first and a bit of a sand. I've cleaned it all with acetone. Now I'm going to mix up some resin and put that in there first just to seal it. I'll just put some tape around. She's taped up, and I'll put some fiberglass in here, take the tape off. I'll probably try and sand this bit of resin off. Okay, so this is the flow coat that I've used here. I've put this flow coat in, I've mixed it up with some silica. To make like a bog, and I'm just going to give it a good sand with some 60 grit, and then I'll give it another coat with a flow coat. So it sands pretty good. It's only been 12 hours since I've done. It's looking a little bit better. There's a bit there to fill, bit there to fill. And then I'll just sand this bit here now. Get in here to sand. So I've just done a bit more sanding on that. And this side. Sanded the aluminium as well. So I just got to mix up a bit and put in here. That's my repair work on the corner there. And when that dries, I'll sand it. that's 3 batteries down. Getting there, looking better. Still a bit more to go. And I'll just get underneath, see if I can take these off. I don't know if I'll get them off. And I'm definitely not going to be able to get the rail off, so I'm just going to tape up and go around that. But I'll take the anchor holder out, get that off.